Hey there, friends. Welcome to NeoFuture AI YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, how AI can completely transform your YouTube journey. Did you know there are over 90 million YouTube channels as of 2024? Crazy, right? It can feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. We've got your back. By the time this video wraps up, you'll know about 10 game-changing AI tools that can help you grow your channel, boost your income, and unlock your full potential as a creator. Oh, and we'll also explore how some of the top YouTubers out there are using these tools to crush it. So, whether you're just getting started or already on your creator journey, there's something here for everyone. Ready? Let's dive in together. YouTube has really come a long way. Let's take a quick look at the incredible growth over the past few years. In 2021, there were 37 million YouTube channels. By 2022, that number soared to 50 million. In 2023, it hit 70 million. And now, in 2024, there are over 90 million channels. Mind-blowing, right? So, what's driving this massive growth? Two big reasons. It's never been easier to start a channel. AI has made creating content feel effortless. Think about it. Whether you're sharing your favorite recipes, vlogging your latest adventure, or teaching people how to fix a leaky faucet, AI tools are leveling the playing field. You no longer need a massive budget or a full production team. All you need is your passion, your ideas, and a little help from technology. This means anyone, yes, you included, can create polished, professional videos and reach a global audience. Let that sink in for a moment. Let's talk about how people are getting started with YouTube in 2024. Spoiler alert. It's easier than you think. Here are some trends that are making waves. Faceless channels. Don't like being on camera? No problem. AI can generate avatars and voices for you, so you can share your message without ever showing your face. YouTube Shorts. Short videos are huge right now. They're quick, fun, and perfect for grabbing people's attention. Niche content. Love gardening, retro gaming, crafting. Focus on what you're passionate about. A loyal audience is always better than a general one. Collaborations. Team up with other creators. It's an amazing way to grow your audience while building connections. AI-powered workflows. Tools for writing scripts, editing videos, and designing thumbnails are saving creators hours of work. It's inspiring to see how these tools are empowering so many people to turn their creative dreams into reality. And the best part, you can start wherever you are, with whatever you have. Now for the juicy part, the tools that can skyrocket your YouTube journey. Here are 10 must-haves that every creator should know about. VidIQ. Want to rank higher in searches? This tool helps you discover what's trending and optimize your videos to perfection. TubeBuddy. It's like your YouTube bestie, offering killer insights for audience analysis and keyword research. Lumen 5. Transform your blog posts or written ideas into sleek, eye-catching videos in just minutes. Descript. Imagine editing a video just by editing its text. It's a game changer. In video, need professional templates. This tool has got you covered for creating stunning videos quickly. Animoto. Perfect for quick slideshows or promotional clips that wow your viewers. Copy AI. Stuck on titles or descriptions? Let this tool whip up engaging ideas for you. Hootsuite. Easily schedule and share your content across multiple social platforms to boost visibility. These tools don't just save you time, they make your content stand out in a sea of creators. Trust me, even trying one of these can make a huge difference. Let's take a moment to celebrate some of the amazing creators who are killing it right now. MrBeast. His crazy challenges and heartfelt generosity continue to inspire millions. Markiplier. A gaming legend with a connection to his fans like no other. Chamberlain. Redefining lifestyle vlogging with her authenticity and humor. KSI. From boxing to music, he's a true entertainment powerhouse. Nikki Tutorials. Her makeup tutorials are pure magic, helping millions express themselves. Here's the thing, they didn't rely on luck to get where they are. They used smart tools and strategies to grow their channels, and so can you. AI is changing the game in so many ways. Here are just a few examples of how it's making life easier for creators. AI-generated voices. Want your content in another language? Or maybe a unique voice that's all your own? AI's got your back. Advanced analytics. Tools like VidIQ help you understand exactly what your audience wants. Interactive features. From polls to live Q&A, AI makes engaging with fans easier than ever. The beauty of these tools is that they're not just for big creators. They're designed for everyone, including you. Wow, AI really is reshaping the way we create on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or already making videos, there's no better time to explore these tools and take your content to the next level. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one tool from this video and give it a try. You might be surprised at how much it transforms your workflow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which tool are you most excited about? Or maybe you've tried something that worked wonders. Let us know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.